moment end. You set off a dream with me, getting loud and loud. Can you hear it echo here? Take my hand, will you share this with me? 'Cause a song without you. All the shine of thousands spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers of gold are still too little. These hands can hold the well burning home. Never be enough, never be enough for me. Never, 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 never for me, for me. Never enough, never enough, never enough for me, for me, for me. All the shine of thousands spotlights, all the stars we see from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers of gold are still lit. These hands can hold the well burning home. Never be enough, never be enough for me. Never, 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 never for me, never enough, never enough, never enough for me, for me, for
Wow, well done, Travis. Anya, what do you think of Travis's performance?
I know I was supposed to start from the beginning, right, but I can't get over that long note. Wow, that's so high for a boy. And you had it for so long as well. How'd you get a breath? Don't know. I think it was really smart how you changed that song to suit you. I mean, I did that song so many times now, but no one had ever really experimented with it the way you did. I think everyone just kind of sings it the way it's sung, or they experiment with tiny little bits. But I like how you changed it up so that it suited your voice, and it was very different. And I like to use something different because you don't want all the same, do you? But I think you nailed that song. I can't get over that end note. That was fantastic. Yeah, you should be really proud of that. Well done.
Kelly?
Yeah, I agree. I like how you kind of like know where you can go vocally, so you made the song work around you rather than you having to work around the song. I thought it was really clever the way that you did that. Your diction as well was just so clear. I think that's really important because I hate it when you can't understand what a singer's saying. So I think that's really important that you got that across. And you're just such a natural on the stage as well. You're so confident, you ooze this kind. We were talking earlier, we were like, you've got like this boy band sort of like image, Harry Styles 2013 I was there. But you kind of like command the stage, you know, you could see that you were destined to be on the stage. And I think it was a really clever song choice because we got to see you kind of throw your voice when you went in for the belt, which we didn't get to see in the audition. So it definitely shows that you've stepped up your game. I thought it was brilliant. Well done.
Thank you.
Travis, I'm really, really impressed because if people actually heard how this was when I first said to him, try this, and he was like, what? That's a big song for me. I'm only a young boy, like, you know. But I wanted to challenge him and fair play that, like, especially when he got to that last note, the control throughout. the way you changed the pattern of the song to suit you, to make it more Travis's version. To you, where it was when you first tried it, to see how it is now, my God, Matt, the cleanliness, the power, everything, the confidence in what you did. And I was there in rehearsals afterwards, I was thinking, I just hope he's confident enough with this on stage. But on the other side of my mind, then I was thinking, this guy knows how to bring confidence, because what I saw in his audition, how he came across and that. So I had a funny feeling that you was going to blow this tonight and really smash it, and you absolutely did. But that last note was even better than what I heard in rehearsals. You should be so proud of what you've done today then, because it's never enough for starters. It's not a song boys usually sing, but you absolutely smashed it. You should be really, really proud of what you've just done. I'm very impressed by that. Well done, buddy.